Yo, what's going on, YouTube? What is going on, YouTube? What's good, y'all? 3 of y'all in here. Going up chat right now. Say something if you in here, y'all. We better bank today. Or wait until 10 a.m. We got Pal speaking. And then we also have, I think, let me see. We have PMI and jobs opening at 10. Also manufacturing prices, which this could be a really big candle. Same with Pal speaking, so we need to stay very patient today. We're inside this 4-hour fair value gap as well. These are the draws. anytime I click on my account, it like does that like glitch right there. I don't know if y'all can see that on stream, but gosh, I keep forgetting to put my Apple Music. I'm gonna do that literally. Let me see how easy it is to sign in. Make it log in. See, I just don't know my password. Let's go to YouTube Music. I just hate all those ads, bro. This is what I want to see, and I want to catch this move right here. Inversion for everybody gets an upside. Home. 8/13. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Look, you want to change this color. Is this a news candle? Like, why is this such a big wick? What time is 15:45 is 3:45 yesterday. No, we never had news. I think that's 3:45. 15. Yeah, 3:45. There's no news. This is just a massive awake, but being on some shit. We got to eat some hunt real quick. I'm not wrong. Oh, wrong lyrics. Seth Curry with the shot. Big. Do it for myself. Wait until 10, boys. fun. Pills and lifestyle purpose. Stay patient till 10. If you're in the call. Oh, you're fine. The red so rich and blind. Rich and blind, blind, blind. Now I want to see a sweep of these lows. Like if we break those. Play chess now. We need to break above these highs. Just gonna look for like a second stage model. What mess? I want to see this little 5 get inversed. We already inversed the 15, which is pretty high confirmation, but close above here, some sort of fair value gap. We got this trend line resistance. I think we're going to come at least to these highs. Pessimistic. Let's go, deal. There's 5 of y'all in here. Nobody typing. Let's go. Type up. We're about to catch a dub. We gotta wait till 10 though, because there's a big candle at 10. That 5 minutes, a nice close though. Might hit on this before news, but I want to see a break above here, maybe a break above here, retrace to a fair value, get targeting these highs here. You see the higher time frame. We are still bearish, but if we get this hourly close with this S&T, it's going to hold hourly S&T. And my hood moving like I got a vest on me. Vest on me. I can open up a bakery, but gas on me. Keep growing, bro. Appreciate it, dog. Stonks. Could very well. I feel if you went long. Yo, what's up, Jane? Welcome to stream, brother. We're waiting until 10 a.m. We got news at 10 a.m., so we're staying patient here. We got PMI and jobs opening. My boy in the Discord is in longs right now, but I'm waiting until news, personally. It was a nice setup. Power 3 model came down, swept these lows. We also have an SMC at these lows. This looks very nice to the upside. I'm just going to catch a second stage move. Not forcing anything today. Staying very patient. We might put a 5-minute SMC at these highs here too. We're just creating this trend line here. Damn. To the tick. No, this looks very good for him. Especially if we could get a break above here. Should just run. Call me up. I think he's hitting this. Just when news could easily, especially jobs opening and PMI, like, that could easily just dump here, sweep all these, and then go. Staying very patient. Like, if we get a break and a 5-minute close above these highs, then I'd start looking for longs, but be a better you. We could easily come down and sweep all these lows too. Listen, baby. Come on with the ads, man. Tapping into tapping into this 3 here. See what happens with this 3. And versus 3. Probably come down and sweep all these lows on news. I feel like this is the trade we take on ES here. ES is leading heavy. $35 seconds till news. See what happens. Damn. It's not the sign. That's the best side. What's good, Mohammed? How you doing, bro? Staying very patient. News just came out. We pumped lower. That was a crazy candle, dude. Welcome to stream, y'all. If y'all new here, my name's Zach. Oh shit, just unplugged my headset. My name's Zach. Been trading for 3 years. Trading prop firms right now. I'm on 3 Apex accounts. This one's up 26. This one's basically break even. This one's break even. Just trying to make something happen. Playing it slower. Focused on good trading. Staying very patient here. There's not much right now. News came out bearish, so he gets stopped out. We got a 5 minute. If we gotta close above this high, start looking for longs, but yes, looks very nice to the upside. No 1 minute formed. Got the CISD higher here.
The idea is like I was expecting speed towards these highs. Marshall let the rest go, and then maybe we can get an easy 2R. That was the original idea.
Staying very patient here, man. Still ain't nothing that I like. We're just staying in this range right now. I'm chopping in this range. Need to break above these highs and then fair value gap entry. Yes, did look nice, but we never formed a 1 minute. Did have the 3 minute inversion. This is considered an SMC at these lows because ES created a equal low, NASDAQ created a higher low, so. You break higher, fair value gap. We're gonna blast through all this LR. Just we need to find the entry on it. Forming some more LR. We're gonna run through all of this. As soon as we get like a break here, fair value gap, bam. Speeda, bana hele eşi bigda, kalan yaşı kana yo bishkami on the speeda. Boy, stay 10 toes down. Like if we don't get a break above these sides here, CISD up here, I'm probably just not going to trade today. I don't want to see lower. It would be nice if we could sweep all these lows. High, low, higher, high. This would be a turtle soup. Welcome to the remix. This scheme. It's happening with that pussy. You can keep it. So I'm just serving through my hands. When I'm sober, I just go like who I am. Oh, and I feel like myself again. Get off the 1 minute. Don't like watching the charts on the 1 minute. Oh, my back, this chair hurts. Anybody in this YouTube stream right now? Who's in the YouTube stream right now? This LR looks very nice though. I think we're gonna blast through this at some point. Probably TP1 here, TP2 here, if we get a clear entry model. Hold on. I got dollars on my head. This could be an entry. I just don't like it personally. Pull up with a stick, a we need a 5-minute close above the bodies here. Then I'll start looking for longs. Oh, yes, is running. I like this. We need this 5-minute CISD. If we get this 5-minute CISD, this looks very nice. We'll just need a rebalance to a 1 minute. I would assume this is a breakaway gap. Already muting that. Let's see, if we could get a rebalance to this fair value gap here, we got that 5-minute CISD. This will look very nice to the upside. Dollars on my head. Got the 1 minute break as well. Damn, fine though. Hindo. Maybe for this 5-minute. Saying shot no, like yeah, she's mine. let's just come down this 3 and 5. Come on, bro, load. Come on, bro. Why is the 1 minute not loading, dude? Bro, I'm about to crash. I'm gonna miss my entry here. Why? Bro. This could have been an entry. But I do want to say 3. Alrighty, we're looking for longs right around here. Let's turn this music off. Let me mute Travis real quick because I gotta lock in. Alrighty, we're coming down, manipulating into this. Alright, we're inside this 3 minute fair value gap here. If we get a break above this, a 1 minute, I want to see this 1 minute form, please. And if we could get a close above this 1 minute, that will go long. 100%. Bro, why is it not letting me click on this? Like, what is happening with my trading view? There we go. Stops would be like here. Targeting these highs. Alrighty, we came down to this 3, and this is also... The 5 minute did not form, and we are wicking the 5, though. So we need to see a break higher out of here. Inversion fair value gap here. If we close above this 1 minute here, I'm in long for sure. But we also have an SMC at these highs, but I'm not worried about that SMC, honestly. If we just never come back up, then maybe we're bearish here. I still want to stay bullish. I think we're just coming back to EQ. Came back to EQ there. Now we want to see a push higher. Inverse this 1 minute. If we just sell off here, I'll probably not trade, but if we get this 1 minute inversion, then I'm going to be in. Let's see if there's a higher time frame. We're forming a 3 minute. Tapped into this fair value gap here. You might want to put it ICT at these lows. This might... Keep up, bro. Appreciate it, bro. You see, we're just showing off here. Got the 3 minute inversion to the downside. Bearish looks nice now. do have an SMC here. These highs and with that. Wow. Okay. Let's see if we form a 5-minute SMC at these lows here. All these lows. I want to stay bullish. To at least London highs. These are equal highs too. Travis, oh, he left. Pete. Could see him moving. Next macro. We got a 5-minute SMC here. Probably gonna form this 3-minute, and I'll need to use the 3-minute as my inversion. Downside's cooking though. Might want to put an SMC at these lows though. ES is so bullish right now. ES is staying up above all these highs. I already took out London highs, but surely makes me believe Nasdaq's gonna eventually come to London highs while ES goes to the draw on liquidity, and then there will be a massive SMC. So SMC still holding. What is this low? Yeah, it's still holding. But ES or Nasdaq might want to come take these lows. We shall see. Do I have equal lows on? Yes, but. Was the next draw lower if we were bearish? These lows here. Yeah, that's where I target if I was to take a short. Wow, we just sold off. Still have this SMT though. It's so strong. You.
Bro.
What's up, gang?
What was that?
Bro, you traded before news.
I know.
I'm still looking for a trade right now.
I saw my setup though. I was like so confident.
Yeah,
in it.
no,
That's like
it's
the
just
only thing.
there's
And I wasn't
certain
trying to be rude
news.
to you. You know, you understand that, right? Like when I said that.
Huh?
Because I wasn't being rude to you when you said that.
Nah.
I'm just making sure.
I see what you're saying, but there's certain news days, and PMI is one of those days that you just don't want to trade before.
Exactly, I understand, and the way I was thinking before, and it's like I didn't even explain it because I was so like locked in and like nervous, because you know how it is when you're about to enter a trade. And I was like, dude, Powell spoke in the beginning and we had some volatility. Like, what if we don't have volatility after that? Like, I was like, that was my theory. But fuck, I was wrong.
Yeah.
But I was like, I was trying not to be emotional because I was going to cut it, like you said. That would have been the smart thing to do. But I was like, dude, I'm just going to accept the risk. Well, I would have lost like 175, I think it was.
Yeah.
And then
that's not
my
bad,
TP's down to that last high and then that where I had it before.
I'm looking for shorts right now, but it's just tough.
Yeah, I don't know. I think I got lucky. I'm gonna be totally honest.
Yeah, you gotta keep it real on your recap.
I know I'm gonna post like when I post on Instagram like the replay. I'm gonna be like, dude, I think I got lucky on this one.
On MNQ, the candle lower would have stopped you out if you were on MNQ, I think.
Well, isn't that what I enter on? No, dude, MNQ, it was lower. That's the screenshot I had. Because I trade the
Why do you look at your NQ charts if you're trading MNQ?
I don't know. That's just how I learned with TGR in the boot camp.
But don't TJR trade NQ?
I think he trades straight NQ, yeah, but I've just always traded like that.
Yeah, because sometimes like wicks are different and stuff like that, but...
You know. That's why, because on the chart, it didn't look like I was close to my stop loss, but then on the freaking thing, I showed on and it was literally like 3 ticks, bro.
Yeah.
3 ticks. But I was sweating that whole time. But I was trying not to just, I accepted the risk, and I said, if I'm going to lose, I'm going to lose. And I said, once it got back up to break even, I was like, dude, I already held it this far. Fuck, just hold it. And then it played out, I guess.
Honestly, like, longs could still cook right soon. I'm still looking for a trade coming into this next macro, but...
Just let me know. I just wanted to make sure you understood that
No, I know, I got you.
To follow my rules, because you know how it is. Like, when someone tells you what to do, like, you gotta stick to your... Like, I'm trying to learn how to trust myself.
Yeah, it was a good trade, just the news, that's it.
Yeah, perfect setup, but news, you're 100% correct. 100%. I agree with you on that. But, alright, I appreciate it.
Alrighty, bro, I'll let you know if I take a trade.
Alright, just let me know.
Sir, peace. Alrighty, let's say. This looks nice. ES is pumping. Alrighty. What do you think? Would I take this? We got an inversion here. SMT at these lows, sweeping out all these lows as well. ES is still very bullish. I feel like the trade just looks so much cleaner on ES, but we're respecting that 5 minute now. We're respecting that 1 minute. No. Yeah, no, we just dumped out of that 1 minute. Shorts don't look bad though. Like, if we could get a break here, oh my gosh, shorts are cooking. Where would I target though? My only target's here, which is only 28 points. I wouldn't want to take that. Could target the low. That is TP1, and then here is TP2, which is 69 points, which is more than enough for me. Got a CISD here. Also with an inversion fair value gap. This looks nice to the downside, I can't lie. Second stage. But TP1's gonna get smacked before we can get an entry. We are just so bearish right now. I don't want to play with that because we do have an SMT. Let me remove this. ES came back up to EQ. We do have an internal SMT here as well. If we could come back up to this one, I'm going to take shorts. I want to see us fill like 50% though. Targeting these lows here. Come back up to this breaker right here, and I'll get in shorts. We have an internal SMC, already came up to this fair value gap. Very bearish right now. Let's just see if we can come up to this breaker. High, low, higher. Oh, is that a breaker? No, it's not a breaker, but it's an order block, I think. No. Oh. Low, high, higher. Yeah, this is a low, high, lower, low. The bearish breaker. One more little pump higher. And I'll get in shorts to target these lows. Alrighty, we're gonna get in shorts right there. TP1's gonna be these lows here. TP1 and then TP2 will go. Let's just say these lows here. And stop loss we'll put here. Let's see where that is. Yep. Click that twice. Alrighty, let's see what happens. Oh, I forgot to click on the enter with 2 micros. We're gonna get out. I entered with 2 micros, called a dub. It was a very quick trade. I don't even know. I accidentally entered with 2 micros instead of 4. Let's see if this plays out though. We were in and out of that. We made $70. Okay. I did not mean to do that. I meant to enter with 4. This would have been TP1 and then TP2 down here. Oh, I gotta get rid of my stuff. I forgot to click short 2 times. But $70. Okay. Okay. Quick little scalp, I guess. I think this is gonna play out, so it's just the shitty part about it, but we're out. I did not mean to, I meant to enter with 4 micros, I entered with 2, so I just TP'd 1 here, and then didn't hold any runners, so TP1 smacked, only 21 points, still negative R trade, which ain't the best, but let's see if this runs, though. Let me send that to my homie. I took shorts out of here, bro. TP1 hit. I forgot to enter with 4 micros. I forgot to click sell twice, so I just full TP'd at TP1. But TP2's down here. I want to see if this hits. Beautiful trade idea, though. Only up $70 on each account. TP. What's going on, guys? We took 1 trade today. We exited right here. I meant to enter with 4 micros, but I only entered with 2, so I TP'd 1 right here, and then my runners were going to be here. I want to see if this hits. This was a nice trade. We're up $70 on each account. Sucks that I did not enter with 4 micros, but I want to see if this banks. Damn. Because we'd be floating in profit right now. 31. Oh, we just couldn't get that. Damn, bro, this is getting me emotional. I forgot to click sell twice. With the optimal entry too. This would have been a beautiful trade if this runs, though. And that's all I care about. Let's see. I'm gonna wait to see if this hits to post it. But we're up $70, so these lows could be targeted though. We could try to find another entry. $60 times 8, 480. Wow. Let's see, YouTube. Forgot to record my live executions too. Damn, bro. up $70. These accounts are now above. Let's see if this plays out. Would have made a bag on this. It's all good though. This should hit. We're expecting EQ this hourly. This 30-minute. Yep. If we get a break lower, we're going. Even if we just held the two micros, we would be up 240 if this fully smacks. Yeah, this is gonna hit for sure, for sure. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna end this YouTube stream.